Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Azar. How to connect how to connect bridge in my blender. First step, make sure the two cylinders is joined together. By Control J, go to edit mode and select edges. Alt, press Alt, hold Alt. Oops. Try again. Alt. I can make mistake. Press Shift with Alt and right click Loop Tools Bridge. Let's set segments like 5 6. Let's make strings. I can make like this. To smooth, go to Modifier tab. Before select subdivision surface, select edge split. Then select subdivision surface. Set to 2. Let's shade smooth. Whoops, I got mistake. Shade smooth, and voila! This is how we've made bridges. Thanks for watching and goodbye.